benefits all society and the wider world. We are currently exceeding our planetary boundaries for sustainable living. We're stealing resources that belong to future generations to satiate ourselves. We have disconnected ourselves from the environment we live in, as if it is separate from us, a resource we can use and just throw away. We have forgotten that we are part of the environment. We are part of the whole. We are living beings in cohabitation with other sentient beings, and together we make up the ecosystem of our world. Everything we do has an impact, and to protect the fragile balance of the ecosystem, we need to wake up. We need to take responsibility and start looking ahead to understand the long-term consequences of our actions, for ourselves, for future generations, and for all life forms on this planet. For truly sustainable living, we need to consider our impact on this planet before material wealth. The economy for the common good is an international grassroots movement with committed people, companies, communities and organisations around the world. In order to measure an organisation's contribution to the common good, the ECG has developed a common good balance sheet. With this tool, companies, communities and educational institutions use a point-based system to examine to what extent the guiding values of human dignity, solidarity, social justice, environmental sustainability and co-determination are integrated into their day-to-day practices. The organisation's contribution to the common good becomes visible to all and can be used, for example, by consumers when making purchasing decisions. One of the demands of the economy for the common good is that organisations with a better score on their balance sheet pay lower taxes, receive better conditions on loans, or preferential treatment in public purchasing. The aim is to make the ecological, ethical and local products less expensive and more attractive. Our movement is working together with politicians, organisations, local communities and the public to determine how best these goals can be realised. Thousands of people have already joined the movement and are working together to create a more just world. If you want to contribute to the common good, you could switch to renewable energy sources in your home and at work, use public transport or an electric car. You could buy local organic produce, and when making purchases, choose ethical suppliers. There are many opportunities to contribute to the economy for the common good movement. You could become a member of the economy for the common good and join your local chapter. Visit ecogood.org. You can donate funds to the movement and you can volunteer with us. Volunteering within one of the international teams within the movement will enable you to contribute your energy, experience and skills directly towards the common good and make a direct difference. Thank you.